This is going to be a product review of the TrustTech Air Purifier. This is a Hepa air purifier with a 3-filtration system. The filter has a pre-filter that removes hair and pet dander. It has a true Hepa filter that will capture dust and pollen, and it has an ions filter. It is extremely quiet with a 22 dB level. It is compact, it is portable, it is very easy to set up. It will cover a room about 161 square feet, so that would be your living room, a kitchen, an office, a bedroom. You do not want to put this in a bathroom. You don't want the dampness or the moisture next to the filter. So you want to have it in an office, a loft, a bedroom. The filter needs to be replaced every 3 to 6 months. This is great for people who have a lot of dust in their house, people that live near a farm or on a farm where you have a lot of chemicals being sprayed from airplanes, people that live in the city, people that live in valleys where you have a lot of dirt. If you live next to an airport, if you live in any major city, this is something you want to keep your lungs clean, to keep your body healthy, and to keep your air crisp and clean. So I'm going to show you how you take the filter out the first time. There's a plastic bag around it. So you want to take the top and spin it counterclockwise. Take the top, remove it. There is a filter in the front. When it first ships, there is plastic on it, so you need to remove the plastic. You can purchase these filters directly from the company on Amazon. So we take the plastic cover out. You can see this is a quality filter. The plastic outside. Nice solid filter. We will take it and put it back inside. Take the cover and put it back on, and make sure you turn it in the direction to lock it. I'm going to press the power button now. And we have 3 lights, low, medium, and high. So on the low setting, you can barely hear this. If you had this under your desk, you would not even know it was running if you had this on your nightstand. This just sounds like a mild fan. You can barely hear the sound. I'm going to press it again to medium. A little bit louder. But the thing is that it's cleaning your air and it's making sure that your room is clear of dust and particles. I'm going to put it on high. This is what you want to use if somebody's in there smoking. Or if you want to clear the air quicker, put it on high. Clear the air in the room and then put it on medium, or if you're going to go to sleep, put it on low. Press the button again and it turns off. Put that again on low. You don't even know it's running. I hear more noise outside than I do from this HEPA filter running on low. I am going to leave a link in the description of this video. Click on that link. It will take you straight to Amazon where you can purchase this wonderful HEPA filter. This filter will remove 99.7% of all dust, pollen, smoke, household odors, and pet dander in your house, down to 0.3 microns. This is a wonderful product made by TrustTech, the Hepa 3-filtration air filter.